Give me the mic, yo. Situation better. Big mommy play for me, see me spiritual battle. If you don't become never dumbo, you can't see them. Them won't follow me, I cannot see them. When you trust them, you confidence, they go stop you for your back.
Who is that? Hold on. Alright.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for Brother Solo.
Brother Solo?
Yes.
Hope no problem.
No, no problem. I guess you're his sister.
I'm his younger sister.
Wow. You guys look alike. The cheek, the resemblance is something else. Now, can I see him?
Yeah, come inside. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Bless. Give me the mic, yo.
Baby. Baby. Guess what, babe? We are 3 weeks pregnant.
You're what?
3 weeks pregnant.
You have the guts to bring your side chick into my matrimonial home. And she's even carrying your child. 3 weeks pregnant. Solo, I've told you that I cannot share you with any girl. I will kill you and sleep in this life enjoying myself.
Then Tiagasa.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Attention, attention,